Hello, this is how I like to grow sunflowers. You will plant your seeds about 6 inches apart after there's no danger of frost. Plant them in full sun. They need at least 6 to 8 hours. They like to be planted directly in the ground because they have very long roots. So this plant is more difficult to transplant. You can thin them out if they are too close together. Just make sure you get enough of the root for transplant. Once your plant is a few feet tall, you will get your first sunflower. It looks like a little alien at first, but then it'll start to open and turn into a beautiful sunflower. Flowers were cultivated in North America by indigenous tribes for their seeds, their oils, and for dye. This was over 4,000 years ago. They are a great source of pollen for bees. Anything we could do to help the bees is good, right? What's that in the corner? The rest of the video I will be talking about saving seeds from your sunflower. You will notice at first your biggest sunflowers start to droop. The center will fill in with these petals. This is what they look like up close. The outside yellow petals will start to dry out. It might not look that great, and at this point you can cut it off if you do not care about saving the seeds, and more sunflowers will grow. In order for the seeds to grow, the sunflower has to completely dry out, so you have to leave it on the plant until it really dries out. The seeds are ready when the back turns brownish yellow and starts to dry out. If you have a lot of animals eating your seeds at this point, you could put a net around the sunflower to protect your seeds. They should start to fill in when they are ready. You can also save the seeds by putting the sunflower in a paper bag after cutting it from the stalk and storing it for a few weeks. I found it's easiest just to remove the seeds by hand. These were going to my chickens, but if I was saving the seeds for myself, I would do it over a box like this to easily collect all the seeds. If you have a hybrid plant, do not save the seeds. They will not successfully grow the following year. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.